In this video, I'll show you how to install the eLearning plugin. This video is going to be a short one, because the installation takes less than a minute. The first step would be go to PLUG&TEACH.net and download and unzip the installation package. Then go to your WordPress dashboard and click on Plugins. Then, click on Add New. Then, on Upload Plugin. Then click on Choose File, and navigate to the unzipped folder. In the unzipped folder you will find two folders, one with the license agreements, and one with the actual installation file called eLearning.zip. Don't unzip this file. Click on Open, and then on Install Now. Now the installation file is being uploaded to your website. The duration of the upload varies depending on your bandwidth. Unfortunately, WordPress does not show the progress bar. One possibility to see the progress of your upload is on your browser tab. And the other would be at the bottom left corner of your browser window, where it says Waiting For, and then the URL of your WordPress installation. But it depends on the browser you are using. I'm using Chrome here. After the plugin is uploaded and installed, just click on Activate. And here we go. Here you see the eLearning plugin successfully installed. Enjoy!